starting now. I am making a gingerbread.
Oh man, well, gingerbread man ran away. And he broke a little bit, but that's okay. So we're just gonna slide him back on the plate. So Jasmine has decided to decorate a gingerbread, and I'm going to do this handy dandy dog bone. So the utensils that we will be using is some decorating icing. We have green. We have, what is this? Sparkle gel, yellow, green,
pink, and blue. And here are the lists.
And for the decorating icing, we have this little attachment. It's number 6.
And here goes some sprinkles.
And we got these little sprinkles, colors. Okay. So Jasmine, did you enjoy making gingerbread cookies?
Yes.
Sugar cookies?
It was fun.
It was fun. Did you like doing it by yourself?
Yes.
So next time you don't need my help? Okay, so what colors are you going to use to decorate your cookie? You use the green?
Green and pink.
Okay, well I'm going to use the blue for right now.
Gotta be touching on it.
Now even though these are sugar cookies, we haven't sprinkled any sugar on them as of yet. Are you giving her some hair? Cool. What next? Some eyes, some ears.
Can you help me?
Can I help you what? Always remember our manners, right?
Can you help me, please?
Yes, ma'am. Is this one open?
No.
Can you get me the scissors?
Yes. Yep, no.
That one's already open?
Yes.
Okay. What are you gonna do with that green?
Make some eyes.
Make some eyes? Okay. See, Mommy almost threw her cookie away. Don't do that.
What can I use for this?
Very pretty.
Fell on the floor. Yours is very pretty too. Look, you're making a rainbow.
I'm trying to do a little something creative. Thank you. So far, this is what my cookie looks like.
This is what my cookie looks like.
Oh, she's coming along so pretty. Look at her hair and her eyes. What about her smile?
I'm gonna do that next.
Okay.
Then
Yeah, Mommy's running out of space.
oh, my bad.
Careful, it's okay. This cookie is going to be so good. I can't wait to eat it.
Keep tapping on the floor.
Okay. Let me see the yellow before you put the top on there.
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can I switch the green one? I need to use the blue, the pink one.
Okay. This one? Okay. Go rinse that out so that way it doesn't get the same color on there. Very colorful. Let's wait to see what Jasmine comes up with. I find that these little tubes are very handy dandy, which she received from Mommy and Two Divas. They're very handy. It allows her to control the flow a lot better and to design her gingerbread. lady. Yeah, let mommy help you. Let's see here. She has some pink highlights in her hair. Cool. She's kind of like Rainbow Bright. Give her a little bow. How cool is that?
Pink and yellow and the
Yeah,
yellow.
she's got a little hair bow. You like it?
I need the yellow.
On the yellow? Okay, what's next?
Okay.
We're gonna give her some feet. Let's give her some blue shoes. How about that?
What do you want me to do for her stomach? Big
I don't
stomach.
know. What do you want to do for her stomach? Okay. Let's give her some blue shoes. Let's see. I'll do one and you do the other one.
Okay. Her stomach's gonna be sparkles. I want you to do the other feet. I don't know how to do.
You don't know how to do feet. You gotta try. Oh, let's give her some jeans, basically. So, do like this.
Them her pants.
Yeah, she got on a pair of blue jeans. Some blue suede blue jeans. You fixing a shirt for her?
It's gonna be a circus shirt.
A circle shirt? Cool. Oh, mommy made a mess. All right. So, want decorator jeans? This is so pretty. Decorator jeans with a little bit of yellow.
And a little bit green.
Okay. What else?
Green.
Green. You're such a good little artist.
Next was pink.
You gonna do some pink? Ooh. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit of sprinkles. And purple is my favorite color, so I'm gonna put purple sprinkles, of course.
Come on.
Yep, it's coming out.
Okay.
Okay. What else are you gonna do to your little lady?
I don't want to use that.
You don't want to use it? Okay.
I want to use this.
Very pretty. You want to give her some sprinkles? And then we can show everybody our finished thing, cookies. What color do you like? Or you want to use all of the colors? What color are you going to use?
All of them.
All of them? Okay. Oh yeah, the top comes all the way up. Okay. So Jasmine's gonna do a rainbow array of sprinkles. All finished? Okay. Give her a little bit of freckles. I love it. Okay. Finish? Okay, everybody. So here's Jasmine's finished rainbow gingerbread woman. And here's my finished dog bone. And what do you tell everybody?
Thanks for watching.
And we'll do what?
Come back.
We'll see you next time. Post your videos or your comments on when you and your kids and how you guys make sugar cookies. We'd love to see them. See you next time.
Bye.
So Jasmine, how was your sugar cookie? She's gonna eat the head first.
Good.
Cool.